Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to prepare schedule diagrams in Microsoft Visio. To prepare a schedule diagram, go to the File menu, click on New, then go to Schedule. As you can see, you can make a calendar diagram, a Gantt chart, a timeline, and a PERT diagram. Select the calendar. These are various calendar shapes available. You can make a year calendar by selecting the year shape and dragging into the page. Specify the year for which calendar is to be made. You can specify the day from which the week begins, then click OK. In the calendar, you can highlight a month or a date by selecting a particular month and clicking on the fill color option and selecting a color. You can also add reminders and appointments and various other shapes by dragging them to the calendar. To prepare a week calendar, drag the week calendar shape to your page. Specify the start date of your week and end date. Then click OK. You can add various shapes such as appointment. You can specify the start time and end time of your appointment, the subject, location, you can give name to the reminder, you can add birthdays or anniversaries. In order to prepare a daily calendar, select the day shape and drag it to your page. Select the date to enlarge, click and drag the selection handle. You can add various shapes such as notes, reminders about special events, and various other shapes available. To give description about a note, select the note and type the text you want. Now we shall see how to prepare a Gantt chart. Go to the File menu, click on New. In the Schedule options, select Gantt chart. Enter the number of tasks, start date and finish date. You can give a task name by selecting a task and typing the name. You can schedule on the chart by clicking and dragging. This is how you create a Gantt chart. Now to create a timeline, select the timeline from the schedule options. Divided timeline, ruler timeline, block timeline, line timeline. Click and drag the type of timeline you want. Specify the start and finish date of your timeline. Specify the scale of your timeline. Then click OK. You can add various shapes to your timeline such as milestones, which are of various types. Click and drag to add shapes to your timeline. You can specify start date to the milestone. Give description about the milestone. You can specify bracket interval for a specific task. Specify the start date, time, finish date, time, and the description. This is how various types of schedule diagrams are prepared in Visio. Thank you.